What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Samurai Warriors 5 on your PC. So the first step is of course open a Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we can locate this game first on Steam before we can proceed to another website to download this game. So quickly go to the Steam website and search up the game Samurai Warriors 5. After that, select it and scroll a little bit down. Then you will find out there is a free trial version available, but we would like to download this full game. This full game is currently available with a temporary offer for €34.99. But don't worry, we got a little workaround. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Once you have clicked on that link, you will be redirected to this webpage and we can search for the game Samurai Warriors 5. Now search up the game. After that, select games on the left side and sort by price lowest first. Now there are a couple of things very important. If you follow these steps, you need to search for a PC version, and this text needs to be marked green so the game can be activated in your country. Now after that you found one, then you can select the game. And as you can see, this game is already available for just €18.93 compared to the price on Steam of €34.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now, if you purchase this game through this website, then you will receive an email confirmation with a Steam activation key, so you can activate this game through Steam and download it on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!